Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play music in Microsoft Teams. So to play music in a Microsoft Team meeting, you gotta share your screen and play a YouTube video or a music source from there. There used to be a way before to not share your screen and still give music in the meeting. It's currently not available in today's Microsoft Teams. So I'll show you the first step. So just go to any of the meeting, just create a meeting or join it. And after clicking on join, just set your camera and microphone and audio settings. Then just click on join now. And after you have done that, you'll get an option to share. Just click on share content. And from here, you can either click on screen or click on window. If you click on window, you can share the exact Spotify window or the YouTube window. I'm going to be sharing my YouTube window from here. So I'll just click on this. As you can see, now I can play the music in the background, and everybody who joins the meeting and joins my stream will listen to the music. And basically that is it. And that is how to play music in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.